How to check Coinbase limit. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. So, first open your web browser and sign in to your Coinbase.com account. Once you're on the home page, click on your name or profile picture in top right corner. From the drop-down menu box, select Settings. Inside the setting menu, click on Account Limits. Here you will see your current purchase, deposit, and withdrawal limits. If you haven't completed your document verification, you will need to do that to increase your limits. Click on Complete Document Verification and follow the instructions. You can also check your limits during transactions when buying, selling, or converting cryptocurrencies. Coinbase displays the remaining limit for that specific actions on the transaction screen. And with that, you are good to go. You will successfully check your Coinbase limits. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.